Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, my group will present about application of microwave oven as a part of our assignment. First of all, let me introduce to our team member. My name is AFNAN. The next is HAZIQ FAHMI, HANIF, and KHAIRUL Izham. Let's start with the introduction. Microwave oven is commonly used for cooking purpose without using water. As you know, microwave oven is recently used to reheat the food, which is frozen food or want to preheat because the food is already cold. The microwave oven consists of a high voltage transformer that passes the energy into the magnetron, such as a magnetron chamber, a magnetron control unit, a waveguide, and a cooking chamber. The energy in the microwave oven has a frequency about 2.45 gigahertz with a wavelength of 12.24 centimeter. The microwave propagates as alternating cycle so that the polar molecule, which is one end positive and the other end negative, align themselves according to the alternating cycles. This self-alignment causes rotation of the polar molecules. The rotating polar molecule hit other molecule and put them into motion. Microwave-induced heating is more efficient if the tissue has high water content since there are free water molecules to rotate. Fats, sugars, frozen water, and etc. show less dielectric heating. The next one, the cooking chamber of the microwave oven is a Faraday cage that prevents the microwave to leak up into the environment. We always see when we reheat the food, the oven, we put the food inside the oven, so when the oven is operate, it will not free up to the environment. The glass door of the oven helps to view the interior of the oven. We can see the food from the outside. The Faraday cage as well as the door is well protected using conductive mesh to keep the shielding. The perforation in the mesh are lesser in size, so the microwave cannot escape through the mesh. As you can see from the figure 1, this is a schematic diagram of a typical microwave oven. So basically, when we reheat food, it will reflect. The wave inside the oven reflect so that the food will be hot. That's all from me. Now I will pass to HAZIQ FAHMI to continue.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And for my part is I would like to present about opportunity of microwave oven. So nowadays microwave oven has become an essential household appliances of daily uses. So most people prefer to use microwave oven in their homes. Okay, the purpose of microwave oven is to preserve food quality and improving food safety, or we can heat our food. And then this microwave oven uses the microwave radiation as the source of thermal energy. Okay, as AFIF mentioned earlier, the microwave is generated by the magnetron inside the microwave oven, which then is transferred into the cooking chamber. via the waveguide. Okay, as you can see, the figure here. Okay, this data is taken from the website of trendeconomy.com, which shows to us the annual international trade statistic by country. So this is the data statistic of microwave export from Malaysia to United States of America. Okay, as you can see, from 2014 to 2019, the trend is in increasing pattern. So we can conclude here that most people are aware of the advantages of the microwave ovens. So it increased from 100 million per year into 150 million per year, the value of export. Okay, next one, we discuss about the advantages of the microwave oven. So the first one is it is user friendly and convenient to use. So microwave usually come with only push button. So the buttons only consist with simple words that most people will understand at first sight. They read the words. So at the button there is no complicated word that will make the users confused. So it is why the microwave oven is preferred by most of consumers. The next one is high energy efficiency. So recently, many producers tend to make their product consume less energy than other product. So they tend to measure the energy efficiency by stars, the number of stars. When the number of stars is increased, so the product is more energy saving. So as they use more energy saving product, and then they can save more cost in electric bills. So they doesn't need to pay more for their electrical bills. Okay, next one is does not affect the nutrient content inside foods. Okay, as we use traditional cooking method, which is using a cook stove, so more heat is applied to the food. So when we cook the foods, some enzyme will break, and then the nutrient is contained inside the food will be lost. Okay, and the fourth point is microwave does not break molecule or harm the DNA. Okay, this is the characteristic of microwave radiation. It does not break molecule or harm the DNA or changing our DNA, such as in gamma rays or X-rays. Okay, for the next one is we can cook and reheat our food faster than using other method. As I said earlier, when we use cook stove, we need to wait for the pan to heat. We need to wait for the heat to build up, and then we need to put our food. So there's a longer procedure than using microwave. When we use microwave, we just need to open our plug microwave, and then we put our food inside, and then we set the timer, and then we wait. That's all. We don't need to wash our microwave every time we use it. Okay, we will not. So that's why it is faster we use microwave than other cooking methods. And the last advantages is usually microwave comes with built-in timer, so that we will not overcook or undercook our food. So this point is also we can save our time by while we waiting for our food to get ready. Firstly, we just input our timer. So let's say we put in 1 minute to heat our food, and then we just can do other stuff while waiting our microwave, while we waiting our food to get ready. So, and then we don't need to worry our food gets burns, and that's okay. The next one, there are some disadvantages. Okay, the first one is we need to consider the dish material. So when we put our food inside the microwave, we need to consider the material of the plate or anything we put our food on. So most of us use plastic container to put our food. So the container must have certified microwave oven uses, so that when we use our microwave, when we heat our foods, the dishes will not melt or have chemical reaction with our food. So it will affect our life, our health. And then limited cooking capacity. Okay, for this one, microwave is not suitable for bigger family which will have more quantity of food. So microwave, majority microwave is built in with a small capacity only, so that we will need multiple tricks to reheat our food, because it will not suit a larger amount of food. Okay, the next disadvantages is overheating will result in soft soggy food. Okay, this one is when when we do not know how to use our microwave. We tend to heat our food more than the required time. So as the food is ready, the result is soft soggy food will make our fingers or mouth burns because it is too hot. Okay, the last disadvantages is not all food are suitable for microwave. Okay, as we know, most food can be reheated by microwave oven, but not all food can be cooked by microwave oven. For an example, we cannot cook French fries in our microwave oven. Okay, I think that's all for me. Next, I pass to HANIF for his presentation. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin SALLEHUDIN. Thanks to HAZIQ for the well explanation about the opportunities and challenges just now. Now it is my turn to present for the assignment. My topic for this assignment is about the perspective for the microwave oven. So I will divide into the two parts for the perspective, which is first is globally perspective, and the other one is locally perspective. So for the part of the globally perspective, we can see from the slide there are three countries I put there, which are first North America, United States, and China. So for the first, which is North America, I can say that this country dominates the microwave oven market during the forecast period from 2021 to the 2028. We can see this value by which representing of 3.4 billion US dollar America, and it is because of the high demand for the latest technology enabled product in this region. Next, second for the United States, the market of in this country is estimated to be worth 3 billion US dollar America. Okay, from this figure of the market value, it represents 4.2% of CAGR, which mean compound annual growth. This CAGR refer to the from the year 2018 to 2022. Last country for the globally perspective is China. Okay, China, as we know, is the world's second largest economy, and this country expected to hit a projected market size of 2.4 billion US dollar by 2027, and by this figure, it is representing by 3.1% of compound annual growth (CAGR) from 2020 to 2027. Okay, so from the globally perspective, for the three countries just now, the microwave oven market is expected to expand at a significant pace. This is caused by many factors influence, such as a higher disposable income and a rising working class segment have boosted business growth. Lastly, the customers' willingness to spend on the kitchen appliances has resulted in increased demand for microwave oven. Next, for the local perspective, which is our country, Malaysia. Basically, there is no many different among the Southeast Asia country like Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, and Vietnam. And in terms of the compound annual growth, which is CAGR, Malaysia have a good growth which is representing about 2.1 to 2.5%. Also, from the percentage of CAGR, this can represent of the market value, which is around 0.72 billion US dollar. This significant growth caused by many factors. Since Malaysia in the phase of developing, there are like many growth of hospitality industry, and increase in catering contracts for large scale function. These all have an effect on the microwave oven market. So next slide. Okay, next I will explain a bit about the commercial discussion, which is about the main market players for the microwave oven. There are three main player for the microwave oven, which is Panasonic, Sharp, and Samsung. So for the first brand, which is Panasonic brand, as we know, Panasonic is a Japanese electrical brand, formerly known as Matsushita electrical brand, and one of the most selling Panasonic microwave oven is NN ST25JBMPQ model. This oven famous because the is equipped with 9 auto menus and quick 30s feature, and this model have a big capacity, which is 23 liter. And lastly, and most important, this model is require only minimal power for an essential function to save electricity. Okay, next, for the second brand, which is Sharp. Sharp also a Japanese electrical brand. So this brand is on the top 5 globally brand for the home appliances product. And the first branch shop in Malaysia was opened on the 14 May 1985. There are many models of microwave oven of this brand was selling in Malaysia, and Sharp also a top 3 most reviewed brand for the microwave oven in the Malaysia. And the advantage of the microwave oven is most of the models are in a big capacity and friendly user, which is the user to use the oven every day. So last brand, which is Samsung. Samsung, as we know, is one of the largest electronic companies in the world, founded in Daegu, South Korea, and until today, Samsung have operates in 58 countries. In terms of microwave oven market, Samsung is specialized and leading regarding the new technology. One of the most selling Samsung microwave oven in the Malaysia is MC28M6335 kW model. This model famous because it is featured and equipped with the hot blast technology and healthy system features. And moreover, it also have eco mode, which is can save the electricity up to 40%. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you. Next, I will pass to the Izham to continue the presentation. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will continue with the competition part. Apart from 3 companies mentioned, there are several other companies that also specialize in manufacture of microwave oven. One of these companies are local companies. The competitors in the microwave oven market are KAIN, Panasonic and Midea. First of all, let's go to KAIN. KAIN Holding Berhad is a manufacturer and marketer of consumer home electrical appliances and industrial electrical appliances with a revenue of 325 million in 2013. Listed on Bursa Malaysia since 1998, KAIN employs more than 800 employees with the 11 branch office in Malaysia and factory in Skinchan, Selangor. With operation in Asia, the Middle East, North Africa and Europe, KAIN export to more than 60 countries around the world. The companies manufacture a wide range of home consumer electrical appliances from fans, emergency light, rice cooker and evaporator to small kitchen appliances under the KAIN and Mistral brand, as well as official marketing company for international brands such as Ariston, Honeywell in Malaysia. Originally through its subsidiaries, KAIN also a marketer for high-end consumer home appliances brands such as KitchenAid, Ariston and Bugatti. Next is Panasonic. The Panasonic Group is an electrical company that started as a small shop selling electrical appliances in Penang, Malaysia in 1965. In 1982, Panasonic was founded to manufacture its own electrical appliances for the long-term growth of its company. The name Panasonic is designed by combining Pan and Sonic, which means sound, of Penang. Since then, Panasonic has grown as Malaysia's first electrical appliances brand. It is the first Malaysian brand to receive a brand promotion grant by the Ministry of International Trade and Industry Malaysia in 2005. And has received several Design Excellence Awards. Panasonic has research, installation and production facilities in Malaysia. Apart from Malaysia, Panasonic products are also exported to Asian countries and the Middle East. Lastly is Midea. Midea is a Chinese electrical appliances manufacturer headquartered in Beijing, Shude, Foshan and Guangdong, China. As of 2013, the firm employs about 100,000 people in China and abroad across 21 manufacturing plants and 260 logistics centers in 200 countries. Midea Group has been listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange since 2013. It has been listed on the Fortune Global 500 since July 2016. Midea manufactures a wide range of lighting, water appliances, floor care, small kitchen appliances, laundry large cooking appliances, and refrigerator appliances. It has a long history of producing home and commercial solutions in air conditioning and heating, or we call HVAC. In the summer of 2016, Midea made highly publicized move to acquire German robotic company KUKA in the largest manufacturer of robots and equipment in the world. Okay, now let's continue with the opportunities in the market based on region. In 2019, the North America region dominated the market with a microwave oven revenue share of more than 30%. It is projected account for the highest revenue share during the forecast period. The high demand for the latest high-tech home appliances product is one of the main growth stimulant in the United States and Canada market. Nevertheless, the region is poised to witness slow growth, which can attribute to high product penetration in the region. Next, let's talk about the Asian Pacific region. The Asian Pacific is expected to see substantial growth of around 5% during the forecast period. Increase the income of the people in the Asia Pacific is the one of the factor for the people in the region to be able to improve their living standard. This indirectly plays an important role in driving the market, especially in countries such as India, China, and the Philippines and Korea. In addition, major manufacturers outsource their production, equipment, and components to this region to take advantage of labor saving. Okay, the last part is the challenge in the market. As mentioned in the subtopic of the main market and competition, it is found that this is difficult for new company to enter the microwave oven industry. This is because there are many brands that have been in the industry. There are various other companies in the microwave oven industry other than those mentioned in the main market and competition topic. This is indirectly proof that there is already very fierce rivalry in the industry. Besides, big companies like Panasonic and Sharp have very strong finance compared to other electronic appliances brand. This is because this company have a variety of product produced other than microwave oven. Therefore, this company are able to invest large amount of money in innovating microwave oven technology to catch up with the rapid development of technology. So that's all from us. I will pass to Afif for the conclusion. Thank you.
Thank you, KHAIRUL Izham. As a conclusion, the invention of microwave oven has served big impact and advantage to people. As nowadays you can see, microwave oven is commonly used for household and restaurant to reheat the food. The signal generated in microwave oven is mathematically modeled through AM/FM model to produce the maximum output radiation frequency. As we know, the microwave oven basically operate in the frequency of 2.45 gigahertz. The usage of microwave in food industry are safer as it does not break the molecule or harm the DNA of living organisms such as happen in X-ray and gamma rays. As we can see, when we reheat the food, it can conclude that it's safe. No, such as X-ray, we exposed to the radiation. And microwave oven is one of crucial alternative that helps people to save energy and their time indirectly. So basically, microwave oven is very efficient because it saves time for people in hurry to reheat the food. That's all from our group. Thank you.